Hey there, good morning. Welcome to the JeepSolid garage. But we're leaving. We are literally heading to the hospital right now. So everything is fine. I'm going to the hospital. It's really Wednesday morning, just after 8 o'clock. I'm recording this a little bit early just so I could say hi and check in with you guys. I'd love to hear from you still. Leave a comment down below. But I'm going to the hospital because my dad just had surgery. Well, he had surgery a few days ago. He's doing really well, and he actually should get out of the hospital today. So, can I get a grande dark roast with some cream and 3 sugars? So, I am supposed to not run into any cars. I'm supposed to meet up with the doctor this morning and just kind of talk about the plan, so that's where I'm heading right now. But I'd still like to hear from you guys, what you guys are up to today. I'll read the comments later on, so I'll leave a comment down below. And I do have my video coming out on Friday on replacing the clutch on PJ, my project Jeep, so be sure to check that out. Thank you guys, good to hear from you, and I'll talk to you later.